Now, chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities. You know what is an algebraic expression? You have seen last year this. An algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constants connected with the basic mathematical operators addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Combination of variables and constants with the mathematical operators. Constant, you know, a quantity which do not vary or cannot vary. All the numbers in the number system are constants. Variables are quantities which vary, which can vary. Usually these variables are denoted by x, y, z, etc. So these variables x, y, z can take different values, varying values. And the combination of these variables and constants with the mathematical operators is an algebraic expression. For example, consider 2x, which is combination of the variable x and the constant 2 with the mathematical operator multiplication 2 into x to x. So another one, say x plus 5, combination of the variable x and 5 with the mathematical operator 5. So mathematical operators plus operator plus used to connect. So it's an algebraic expression. Now consider this, x squared plus 2xy. Another expression, combination of variables x, y and constant. Then another one, say x2 plus 3xy plus 10 minus z. Another mathematical expression, combining x, y, z and constants. Then x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Another expression. Then x2y plus z x squared plus 10y minus 15. Another mathematical expression and so on. So such expressions are algebraic expressions, combination of variables and constants. And now the parts in an expression, the components in an expression connected with the operators addition and subtraction are called the terms of the expression. Terms of the expression. The components or the parts connected with the operators addition and subtraction. So in this expression, this x is a term, 5 is also a term. In this 2x is a term, only one term, 2x is a term. Here this x squared is a term, 2xy is a term, x cubed term, 3xy term, 10 term, is that the term? So similarly, the components, the parts connected with the operators addition and subtraction are terms of the expression, algebraic expression. And now consider the term of an expression. A term itself is formed by the combination or product of variables and constants. The term itself is formed by the combination or combination of variables and constants as a product. So consider this 2x. This 2 is constant and x is variable. This term is formed as a product of this 2 and x. And these 2 and x are called the factors of the term. the components in a term which makes the term as a product of the components are the factors of the term. Similarly, in this expression 2xy are factors of this term. Consider this term x squared. X is a factor of that term. Consider this 3xy. This term of this expression 3 is a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor. So these are all factors of a term of the expression. And again, consider a particular term. The constant in the term is called the coefficient in the term and coefficient of the variable part. So here in this 2x, this 2 is a coefficient in the term and it is the coefficient of x. And in 3xy, 3 is a coefficient in the term and it is the coefficient of xy, the variable part xy, coefficient of xy. And in this 10y, 10 is the coefficient of y. So similarly we can have the coefficients of each term in an expression. Again, consider the terms of an expression. If the expression has only one term, it is called a monomial. It's a monomial. Mono means one, single. So this is a monomial. 2x, this is a monomial. It has only one term. If the expression has two terms, it is said to be a binomial. Bi means two. Binomial. So x plus 5, this is a binomial, has two terms. This is again a binomial, x squared plus 2xy, two terms, x squared and 2xy, two terms. It's a binomial. If it has three terms, it is a trinomial. Tri means three. So trinomial. So this x squared plus y squared plus z squared, this is a trinomial, three terms. Or in general, an expression is called a polynomial. Poly means multiple, with multiple terms. So this 2x is a polynomial with only one term. It is also known as a monomial. X plus y, it is a polynomial with two terms, binomial. This is again binomial. This is a trinomial with three terms. And this x2 plus 3xy plus 10 minus z is a polynomial with four terms and so on. Thus we can have the different types of polynomials. And again, consider the terms of two polynomials. Two terms of the polynomials are said to be like terms if the variable parts of these two terms are the same. A term will contain two parts, one constant, the other variable part and constant part. If the variable part are the same, the terms are called like terms. So consider this 2x and x. 2x in this polynomial and x in this x plus 5. The variable part here x, here also x. So these two are like terms. So consider this 2xy in this x squared plus 2xy and 3xy in this x2 plus 3xy plus 10 minus z. These two are like terms. Variable part xy, here also xy. Irrespective of this constants. Constant can be different. So like terms. And otherwise, if the variable parts different, the terms are said to be unlike terms. So like and unlike terms. So we have defined the expression, terms, factors, and also we have defined coefficients, then monomial, binomial, trinomial, and general polynomial, and also like and unlike terms. And you have to remember one thing. In the case of this polynomial, we need some additional information also. This polynomial has certain special characteristic. But as far as you are concerned, those special characteristics are not so important and no relevance here, and therefore we do not go into the details of that. Anyway, generally we consider these expressions as polynomials. Okay?